Hello, this is Raymond Aaron, New York Times top 10 bestselling author, and I'm here with my dear friend Naveed because he is the faith empowered leader, and he's written the book, Faith Empowered Leadership. Wow, he is the master, and he is holding an event for $497, but right now you can get in for free. And what happens at this event? You're going to be shocked. You are going to connect with the source of all power. You're going to achieve happiness and success in this life and beyond. You're going to connect with people at a much deeper level. You'll impact lives, you'll leave a legacy, and you'll reach your full potential. For gosh sakes, that's worth $497. But right now, there's an early bird special. What is the tuition for this one-day event?
It's absolutely free for people signing up anytime now till the event.
Wow, 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 wow. No charge for this amazing faith-empowered leadership blast off springboard, get into action event. Wow, wow, wow. No charge whatsoever. Early bird special. Tell me when it is.
It's on the 28th of June, and the timing is 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that's about 9 p.m. in Pakistan, and UAE is about 8 p.m. So this is the time for this very powerful workshop.
Wow, I'm so excited. I can't wait. I know you as a powerful gentleman. I know you as an honorable soul. I know you as a faith-empowered leader. And shockingly, you have impressed me so much because for thousands of years, faith-empowered leadership hasn't changed. But you have come up with an insight. You have come up with a new ingredient that no one has ever thought of before. And you're going to be offering it at no charge as an early bird special at noon Eastern time on June 28th. Wow, wow, wow. You're going to be the teacher. You're going to be holding up your book, Faith Empowered Leadership. What a powerful event. So I'm going to leave you with the last word. What would you like to say about this incredible event as to why they should go to your website and click on that link?
Yes, I would say that, come in yourself, bring in a partner, bring in a friend, because it's good for everyone. It's good to become leaders who are becoming leaders, individuals who want to improve themselves, and it's for everyone. So do come in and do join in because it's absolutely free, and you'll get, I promise you'll get a lot out of this seminar.
I'm so excited. Now tell everyone what they've been waiting for. What's the link? How do they register?
Yeah, the link is just go to faithempoweredleadership.com and register right there.
faithempoweredleadership.com. You can see the details of what you're going to get at this amazing course. You're also going to be able to see his book there. It's powerful. Go there right now, register to connect with source of all power. Go there to achieve happiness and success in this life and beyond. Go there immediately and register to connect with people at a much deeper level. Go there immediately to impact lives, to leave a legacy, and to reach your full potential. June 28th, noon Eastern time. Naveed is the teacher, and he's going to reveal something brand new about faith-empowered leadership. Wow, wow, wow.